I don't know. It just has something that has done something to my hair. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I know I am looking rusty as hell, but who cares? Today is wash day. I've just come back from a run, and so I am looking extra rusty. But yeah, I'm going to be washing my hair, and I am on a good hair journey. Okay, when I say good hair journey, I mean I am on a journey to treat my hair really good. The past few years I have neglected my hair. I've just kept putting my hair in the back burner, and my hair is literally telling me, you know what, if you don't start taking care of me, I am going to leave you. And I'm like, oops, okay, I guess this is time I start to treat my hair right. So yeah, I am treating my hair. It's been 6 months since I have not used hair extensions in my hair. I've just been braiding my hair, doing mini twists, and that's it. Today I am going to be trying something new. I am trying the Pantene Bond Repair, which I got from the supermarket. It was on sale. This was actually £5, and I'm like, oh, okay, I might as well try this because it's been a while since I've been saying I need to be trying bond repairs. I need to start using bond repairs. And so yeah, I am going to be using the bond repair this time around. And I got myself the intensive hair mask, but I also got myself the conditioner from Pantene. And this is the Pantene Pro V Miracles Bond Repair. It has biotin and Pro V nutrients. I don't know what those are, but yeah, that is what this is claiming to have. I have heard a lot of good things about this product. I've heard a lot of good things about the Rescue product, but I know that is also a bond repair. I couldn't find the the Pantene Rescue mask anywhere, or Rescue Bond Repair anywhere. I can't speak, but I came across this one, and I know Pantene is actually really good, so I am going to be trying this for the very first time and seeing how my hair feels. I also have a few products that I got from the drugstore as well. So I got my heat protectant. So I have my heat protectant. I first of all have my Heat Defense by Tresemme. I have this product right here, which apparently should be good for hair. So I'm going to be using this whilst blow drying my hair. Honestly, I do not have the best product for blow drying my hair. I think I have to switch very soon, and I will be switching all of my products, okay? But yeah, just for today's sake, I'm going to be using this to blow dry my hair, and I'm going to be using this other Dry Heat Protect to straighten my hair. So I've heard, or I have read, and a lot of people are saying you don't just need one product to straighten your hair or to apply heat to your hair. And it does make sense. Like if I'm using one heat protectant to blow dry my hair, and then another type of straightening or heat is going to be applied to the blow dried hair, I might as well protect my hair. So that is why I got myself the Dry Heat Protect, and this one is is by VO5. Never used it before, never used any form of heat protectant before, and my hair has been screaming, okay? But yeah, we're just going to be trying the Pantene Bond Repair hair mask, and I'll let you know how that fares on my hair. But yeah, What I do is I would just go through all the length of my hair with the mask, braid it, twist it up, and then come back and brush it once I have done all 4 sections. I don't brush immediately after I have put the product in. That is just me. I just prefer for the product to sit in my hair for a few minutes, and then I brush it with my diamond brush. Once all of this is done, I go ahead and start to brush my hair out to remove any form of tangles, and because I started with this side, I'm going to go back to that side. Right, so that section is done, and before I twist it up, I apply another slight amount of product, and then I twist it back up. I'm trying to avoid as much friction as I possibly can, or as much manipulation as I possibly can, so I don't really do too much. Yeah, don't really do too much, basically. But yeah, I have applied it to all 4 sections of my hair, as you can see. And this is the amount of shedding I had. Hold on. Yes. This is literally all the shedding that have come out from this process today. I think it says to leave this in for 2. Yes, it does say leave this in for 2 minutes. So honestly, there's no point in just leaving it in for too long. I can say that this product is doing something for my hair. I don't know what is in this, but it's definitely doing something. So yeah, I'm just going to rinse it all out, and yeah. My hair is tangled enough, so I don't see why this should rip my hair out, but I know it is going to do that a little bit. Pray for me. Pray for me. This is you knowing you're touching fire, yet still you go ahead and, just be like, I'm going to test it. But yeah, let's just go ahead. Already ripping my hair. Okay guys, I have finished blow drying each section of my hair. I didn't do too much. I did not do too much because I don't want to. And I am now, guys, I will show you a picture of how my hair was 2 years ago. I'm nowhere near it. I am nowhere. So this is my hair blow dried. This is how my hair is looking in a blow dried state. No. Guys, I will insert a clip of my hair 2 years ago, and yeah, you can actually tell. But honestly, my hair feels good. My hair actually does feel good. It doesn't feel too dry, which is so good. The product, I would say, has really helped. The leave-in conditioner has helped. The heat protectant has also helped, and the argan oil, which is this one that I use to blow dry my hair, the argan oil from OGX, okay, extra penetrating oil for dry and coarse hair, that has also helped. My hair is not feeling as dry as it will usually feel, so that is good. Now I have to do the next step, which is to straighten my hair a little bit more with my Tymo hair straightener, and I am going to be using my dry heat protectant for this process because we are not playing. We are not playing this year. This year we are not playing. I actually literally vowed to myself to not apply heat on my hair the whole year and to not add extensions on my hair for the whole year. I have broken one of those promises, which is applying heat to my hair, but that is because I want to heat train my hair. I want to start wearing my hair in a straightened state, in a straight state, so becoming a straight hair natural. I think that would be good for my hair. So yeah, we can work around it, and I think that is the reason why, I know that is the reason why I got these two products, because I'm like, if I'm going to be applying heat on my hair, I might as well just protect my hair. The reason why I didn't want to apply heat to my hair was because I wasn't protecting it. Like every time I would apply heat, I was literally frying my hair every single time. Okay, but now we have a solution. We're getting to know the best things for our hair. Ooh. I just heard the crunch and I'm like, no. We are not doing that. Not me using the back of the straightener. Hell no, you're not going to 3. And then again, twist it back out. So this is the final product I am working with. I am not willing to go any further because I do not want to give my hair a shock. Like, no, we're not doing that. We're just going, gradually. And seeing that I do not have the right product, I do not want to cause any more damage to my hair, as I think I already have. This is just as far as I'm willing to go, and I'm just going to keep my hair in like a bun for the week, I would go back to put in my twist, my mini twist, during the weekend. So I will also film that process as well. But this is how far I am willing to go. I'm not going to cause any shock to my hair. Like I said, this is just as far as I can go. And I can say that my hair is slowly reviving itself, because I have given it a lot of time. Like, when I tell you where my hair was, it was terrible. It was bad. This, it is growing out. It is growing out a little bit, which I am so happy about. And it's looking more healthier than it used to look. Guys, if I tell you how far I've come with this hair, you won't believe it. But I had really good hair. My hair was flourishing, and then all of a sudden it just started to just die on me. And since I started my commitment to maintaining my hair a little bit better, my hair is starting to thrive and it's starting to feel good. I will say that my hair does feel really soft, and this could be a factor. This could be a reason. I love this product. I've just used it once, but I can say that my hair actually loved it. My hair actually loved it. My hair did feel softer than it used to feel. I don't know. It just has something that has done something to my hair, apparently. So this makes your hair visibly healthier, strengthened and regenerated, which is all the things I am feeling about my hair, you know. Mind you, this is not sponsored, okay? We're talking about Pantene. It's not sponsored. I do not even have a lot of followers. I do not even have subscribers. So yeah, like, I think I'm going to be using this as a leave-in conditioner instead of as a conditioner. Like, I don't see the point of using this as a conditioner when I have this as a mask, you know. I don't know, it's just me. But using this little amount as a leave-in conditioner is good as well. My hair loves it. I don't know what to say, but my hair does feel good. It does feel soft. So that is it. It wasn't really a review type of video. It was just me trying the product and seeing, you know, how my hair loves it, because I have seen a lot of people talking about bond repairs. I've never used any bond repair, so this is my first bond repair. Now, if this is my first bond repair, I think I'm up to a good start, because every other bond repair that I try must beat this bond repair product by Pantene. So yeah, anyways, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'm just going to put my hair in a bun. I haven't seen my hair like this in a long time, in a very long time. But yeah, I'm just going to put my hair away and wear my hair like this for the whole week up until next week. So yeah, let me know if you love this video. I will keep posting videos about hair. It was initially the first thing I started to do when I opened my YouTube account, which is not this page. It was a different page. But yeah, you know, I'm just going to be bringing it back, talking about hair, because I'm on this journey and I want everybody else to be involved and share my journey to everybody else. So I hope you love this video. If you have any suggestions, if you have any other bond repair products that you would want me to try, let me know, because like I said, this is very good. So all the other bond repairs must beat this product. But yeah, I enjoyed doing this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.